Hello and welcome. What you see in the far left corner is Warbird Park. And that is Faro Parkway. And over there is the Myrtle Beach Airport, MYR. Around Warbird Park, there is a walkway that's not the quietest walkway, but it is a nice stroll if you're looking for such a thing. A nice feature of this path, park, walkway, memorial, all of the above, is that motorcycles are loud, is that it is adjacent to the airport. So periodically, if you're into aeronautical things, you will see aircraft taking off and landing just on the other side of that fence in the distance. Also a good area if you needed to take a dog for a walk or just get some exercise. In the evening, this area is lit, as you can see by the lighting here. People have asked me in the comments periodically for locations such as this that are quieter than, say, the boulevard, where they could spend a few minutes and just kind of take a breather between doing all the activities that are available in the Myrtle Beach area. So again, this may not be the quietest little pocket park, but it is a park nonetheless, with interesting views of aircraft when they decide to land and take off. Now, MYR Airport is not the busiest airport you're ever going to come across. If I were to just hazard a quick guess, I would say they probably have between 40 and 50 flights a day. If you know, oh, there goes a helicopter. If you know exactly how many flights they typically have, comment down below, let me know. I'm curious to see how close my estimate actually is. It looks like there's a new memorial over here. You can tell by the color of that concrete. That's fresh, relatively fresh. So let's take a peek at this. So as you walk around this pocket park, there are memorials, military recognition, and monuments commemorating those who have served. I would go over there and watch some airplanes land, but it looks like they're doing some tree maintenance, so maybe another day. All these little podiums here give brief snippets of information about the Air Force Base that resided on these grounds that closed in the early 90s. So, small pocket park, worth your time if you just want to spend a few minutes getting some fresh air and appreciating some of the military monuments and memorials that have been constructed here. Now, I've done videos before on Warbird Park itself, those aircraft over there. So if you want to check out those videos, just flip through the channel. They're there. Get a closer look at those aircraft. But this video, I specifically just wanted to bring to the attention of all of you guys that there are little pocket parks like this that exist. You know, get some fresh air, walk your dog, watch some airplane take off and land, because in the distance there, that is the terminal for MYR Airport. Okay, everybody. This is a quick one. This is a simple one. Just wanted to share. So until next time, take it easy.